This is how to repair your project before you painting and before you selling in online platform. So let's do this now before painting this second project. Okay, a white color or brown color, but slight only, not totally dark, because only I save my paint instead of totally finish it. So I repair in the middle and the top to make balance both sides. Okay, 14 cup inch both side and 3 inch in the front. This distance. Okay, so on the top is good, ready to paint anytime. So this for now is a broken screw, so traditional screw only for this. Okay, let's do it now.
Gonna go for a walk.
Huh?
Gonna walk.
Oh,
I'll be back like 10 or 15 minutes.
oh, 49. Uy, yes, 1 inch screw. Okay guys, it's done. So let's see because it's windy a little bit and there's a possible rain by 10% to 5%. So I don't know if we continue to paint this or repair only or tomorrow ready to post it in Facebook platform. So that's all, guys. I only repair these two. I repair this back because it's we need to tie it for our clients not complaining about the damage here. So I put four screw, four screw. So balance. See, okay, and in the bottom. Okay, so ready to paint. And this one I changed, remove this extra hole. So this three adjustment. Okay, for both sides center. Okay, so it's okay now, ready to paint. And adjust the 3 inch, 14 inch. Okay, both sides. Okay, okay. So no gap now. Okay, it's good, ready to paint now. So see you guys. So this is how to make money, save money. The tutorial how to prepare your restoring your project and then sell it in online platforms. So it's easy if you have knowledge and experience how to make a table. Even you're not expert in carpentry, you can do it by on yourself before you sell it, restoring and painting. Okay, so this is not one of the 3 projects. Sorry, 7 projects. See, yesterday only it's done. And this is the third, and this is the first. Okay, see? So that's all. Okay, and this is our two eraser project also. Just repair on top, and repair also on the top. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, only 3 repair and 7 assembled for today for this week. So click the button and notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week, and subscribe. That's the most important. So this is tips how to make money in the summer with your own stuffs. Then you sell it, fix it, paint it, and restoring. So this is our project, one of the stand project, the three unfinished project, or change the paint only and repair. This is the new brand new project. We're ready to paint now. Okay, so hopefully not rainy today. So see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming videos for this week to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys. That's all.